Interview and job search strategies that work. I'm here with Sunit today. How are you today, Sunit?
Hi Gary, I'm good. How are you?
I'm good, man. Thanks a lot. I really appreciate you coming on the podcast. It's been a while since we've talked a little bit. How are things going? Can you tell me about um, how did you get started with your current role?
Yeah, Gary. Actually, I started with the current company 7 years back. So still working with the same company because the work is really good. Every day we have like challenging jobs. There's a lot to learn. So I still kept working with the same company because before this company, I used to change job frequently, like 2 years, 3 years, something like that. But here there are so many opportunities, so many new things to learn, and there are people like very experienced people. So there is a lot to learn. There's a lot to share with them. So like we have a team there of 22 people. So we share with our ideas, and we discuss the things like if any challenges are coming, uh, we schedule a meeting, and then we discuss everything among the team and like what all actions can be done. So that kind of role, you really like it, and you tend to go with the company. So that's the reason I'm still the same company.
So I think you answered my next question. Was going to be what excites you most about your chosen profession. But can you talk a little more about that? Like your what gets you up and says, yeah, I love this type of stuff.
Yeah, actually, I'm more of a like any challenges come, I try to learn from that. I try to learn new things. I try to get into new things and new technology. So in this company, I've learned like a lot of technologies. Before that, I was just into mostly routing switching. And here I've learned everything like security, all sort of firewalls, most of the vendors, load balancers, proxy servers, even the servers, Linux servers, so many things I have worked here. So there are like everyday challenges, like new things we came to learn. So that is the thing going on.
Based on your experience, like you know a lot. I know that you've taken CCIE training, test training. You've taken Red Hat training, RIC, the best Linux, all these other things. What would you say to someone who's like working in McDonald's or the equivalent there, who's just getting starting out and like um, wants to get a job in your field? What advice would you give him or her?
Yeah. See, the beauty of our field is very we don't need like a core degree or something to get into the IT industry. Okay. So like there are multiple vendors. So I would like if someone is working in McDonald's and they want to switch into IT industry, there are a lot of opportunities. And I know people who have like from different streams, totally different. I know the guy who are into marketing, and from marketing they are coming into IT because there are a lot of opportunities and there is like different paths. So people can get into the like starting from the very basics, like Computer Plus, like CCNA, and from there they can build their career. So because once they're in this field, they themselves will slowly learn like what field they can choose. Like when I take my example, when I entered into the IT industry, I had done just CCNA. Okay. Then slowly, I came to know like there's a Linux server and there is a like popular certification RSC. So I cleared that RSC. That gave me a lot of opportunities. Then I came to know about other technologies. So like slowly, that foundation was built. So it led me myself to take whatever the opportunities I like. Because then I had an interest for firewalls. So any person who is like working in McDonald's, I would suggest them if they want to get into the IT industry. It's not like a very tough job. Only thing you should go with your basics, learn your basics very well. Start with some basic certification. Once you're done with that certification, you can try to get an industry, or maybe you can try to set a home lab and do practice more. or maybe you try to get a hold of some small projects. Using those products, you build your knowledge, and then you can slowly get into IT industry, get a job for yourself. And that is what I suggest any person from a different background who wants to get into the IT industry. See, जो कोई भी एकदम डिफरेंट बैकग्राउंड से है, जो कोई भी जैसे मैकडॉनल्ड्स में काम कर रहा है या फिर कोई और काम कर रहा है और वो आईटी इंडस्ट्री में आने चाहते हैं, तो उनके लिए मेरा सुझाव है ये कि उनको सबसे पहले क्या करना है, एक बेसिक कोई भी सर्टिफिकेशन करना है या कोई भी एक छोटा सा प्रोग्राम करना है, जैसे कि CCNA है या कोई लिनक्स सर्वर जैसी ट्रेनिंग करनी है या माइक्रोसॉफ्ट विंडोज है, जो कि उनको एक फाउंडेशन देगा, एक बेस देगा, एक आधार देगा, जिसको कि वो यूज करके फ्यूचर में कोई भी एक प्रोजेक्ट कर सकते हैं किसी कंपनी के साथ, या वॉलंटरी किसी को गाइड कर सकते हैं, और या फिर घर पे एक लैब सेटअप कर सकते हैं। तो उसका फायदा क्या होगा कि धीरे धीरे उनका जो नॉलेज है वो बढ़ेगा। तो उससे क्या होगा कि धीरे धीरे जब उनका नॉलेज होगा वो इंटरव्यू क्लियर कर पाएंगे, और वो धीरे धीरे वो एक अपने लिए एक जॉब भी ढूंढ सकते हैं। सो एक बेसिक जॉब जब उनको मिल जाएगा तो वहाँ पे उनको इंडस्ट्री में एक्सपोजर मिलेगा, तो उस एक्सपोजर से उनका नॉलेज और धीरे धीरे बढ़ेगा, तो उसको यूज करके वो अपने लिए फ्यूचर में एक अच्छी जॉब ढूंढ सकते हैं। तो मैं ऐसे कई लोगों को जानता भी हूँ, जैसे कि जो डिफरेंट किसी और ही फील्ड से में काम कर रहे थे, मार्केटिंग में थे, सेल्स में थे, तो उन्होंने भी धीरे धीरे स्टार्ट किया है और धीरे धीरे अपनी नॉलेज को बढ़ाया है, धीरे धीरे छोटे छोटे सर्टिफिकेशन किए हैं, छोटी छोटी कंपनीज में काम किया, फिर उसको यूज करके धीरे धीरे वो आज की डेट में उनको 7-8 साल का एक्सपीरियंस है, 10 साल का एक्सपीरियंस है, और वो अच्छी कंपनी में स्टेब्लिश है। तो जो भी कोई एक डिफरेंट बैकग्राउंड से आना चाहेगा, तो उसके लिए भी एक अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटी है IT इंडस्ट्री में, क्योंकि इसके लिए आपको कोई ऐसा नहीं है कि आपको कोई डिग्री करनी है, कोई भी डिग्री रिक्वायर्ड नहीं है। आप कोई भी एक बेसिक सर्टिफिकेशन की नॉलेज लेके आप इंडस्ट्री में आ सकते हैं। IT इंडस्ट्री में आपको स्टार्टिंग मिल जाएगी, और उसके बाद अपने इंटरेस्ट के अकॉर्डिंग आपको जो भी फील्ड में जाना है आप जा सकते हैं।
I really appreciate you coming on the podcast. Really grateful that you are. Tell people how they can then reach out to you. How can they contact you?
Yeah, Gary, they can reach me on my LinkedIn ID. They can reach me on my Twitter ID. I will share with you my IDs in the detail for like if they want to get in the industry, if they like want to know how to start. Okay, so I can guide them. I can give a like basic path, like how to choose and how to get into that. So जो कोई भी डिफरेंट बैकग्राउंड से है और वो IT इंडस्ट्री में आना चाहता है, IT की जॉब करना चाहता है, तो वो लोग को मैं हेल्प कर सकता हूँ। वो मेरे ट्विटर ID पे मुझसे कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं, या फिर वो लोग मेरे लिंक्डइन ID पे मुझे कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं, फेसबुक पे कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं। तो उनको मैं एक बेसिक आइडिया दे सकता हूँ कि कैसे उनको एक डिफरेंट इंडस्ट्री से आकर एक IT इंडस्ट्री में कैसे उनको एक स्टार्ट लेना है और फाउंडेशन बनाना है, और धीरे धीरे वो अपने लिए कैसे IT इंडस्ट्री में जॉब ढूंढ सकते हैं।